How to recover deleted photos on your Android devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can recover your deleted photos from your Android smartphone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to recover your deleted photos, now keep in mind that this process differs from phone to phone. If you deleted it from the gallery app, and if your gallery app has a recycle bin and a trash folder, it is going to be moved to a recycle bin. So in my case, on my default gallery app, if I tap on the three lines here, I'll go to recycle bin. Then over here you'll be able to see all of the images and videos that I've deleted, and I can permanently delete them if I want, but I can also go ahead and choose to restore either of these if I want. At bottom you can see restore and delete. So if you want to permanently delete it, you can delete it because they are going to remain here up to 30 days, and after 30 days they are going to be permanently deleted. So you just have to keep that thing in mind. Now, other thing you can also try to do is if you deleted it from the My Files application, so which is a file manager on your Android phone, on your My Files app as well, you might have the recycle bin folder. Try to look for it in the recycle bin as to how you can find it. If you don't find this option as well, the other thing you can try to do is simply go to the Google Photos application, and you might have backed up all of your data before to your Google Photos, so most likely you have chances that your applications and all of the photos and videos are also going to be stored in Google Photos. Now, if you delete from Google Photos, it is most likely that it might be moved to the trash as well. Again, tap on library, go to the bin folder, and here you'll be able to see all of the deleted photos as well. And hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. Now keep in mind, this only works if your phone had a gallery recycle bin by default, and if you didn't have it, unfortunately you will not be able to do so. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.